All right, it's March 1st and not too cold outside. It feels like the past couple months have been minus 20, minus 30 Celsius. So it's good to be outside and get some sun. I got the phone dash mount that I'm going to put on today. Well, it just comes with all the pieces. I don't think I'm going to need any extra tools for this. Seems to be straightforward. I should have washed the hood of the Bronco before starting. The kit didn't come with any instructions, but the link on the Amazon has got some pictures and stuff. I'm going to put this up into here and then attach everything onto that. The Allen key that it came with is not the best for this, so I'm going to have to use my kit, and I think this is what I'm going to need to go loosen these. There we go. Oh yeah. Only the top two bolts need to be removed, and then we're going to install the mount and then use these two new bolts that are a bit longer to make up for the depth, which is too bad. It doesn't say Bronco on it. I like the factory ones more. They look a lot nicer. But I'm going to hold on to these and just keep them in my kit in case I decide to uninstall it. So this is going to go right up here, and then that circular sphere thing is pretty close to the air vent. So here's hoping it'll be okay in the winter time. Just going to put these two here, right here, and tighten them up. Nice and snug. Going to loosen this off, and then we'll stick this sphere into that. This part seems pretty straightforward. Just open this up and clamp it onto there. Then take this sphere, the small one, and it just clips right into there. And then we'll put this cap back on over top and then connect that to this. And we'll stick this sphere into that. Keep dropping it. Falling in the mud and the water on the floor. Oh, I can just open that up and put the phone in. And it seems to move around. Got pretty good. It's stiff. It's like it holds on. I can tighten it. Clips on pretty good. And it's got pretty good motion. I think this will work out pretty good in the summertime. So, oh yeah. When I'm not using it, I'm just going to tuck it up like that. We'll see how it works with the air conditioner this summer. That was an easy install. Thanks for joining. Hit subscribe, and really just check out the other adventure videos that are a lot more exciting than this.